Okay, so it's been a while since I made a video. Today I'm actually in my workshop. Well, I have several workshops. This is not the wooden workshop. This is the guitar workshop and the electronic workshop. So maybe you don't know this, but I build and repair electronics too. You know, kind of like television sets and radios and CD players, all that kind of stuff. Even stomp boxes and most things electronics with components in there. I repair and some cases even building that kind of stuff. It's been a mess in here for 3 years. Actually, a little bit more than 3 years, I think. So now I've been taking a couple of days here to starting to clean this mess up here. This is where, I repair all the guitars the customers bringing to me. And I have my, the bench for guitar works right over there. So it's looking like a mess right now, but I'm trying to clean it up. And this part right here is the electronics side of the workbench here. So, and this part right here, I have my drill press and some drills and all that kind of stuff going on here. And the wood workshop where I have my CNC machine and all that kind of stuff is way over there. So in it's several rooms in this building. Kind of like not a warehouse building, but it's a building where several companies renting their own places actually. So I decided when I moved in here to have this particular room right here as a guitar workshop and electronics workshop. So the other rooms that I have is probably 2 or 3 more rooms here beside from the kitchen area and beside from the the toilet and all that kind of shit going on there, all that kind of shit going on in there. So I decided that I'm gonna make this video just to show you a little bit about how it looks inside of this room here. And this is where I'm doing, I don't do very much videos about guitar repairs, one here and there when it comes to my own guitars, some customers' guitars, because all customers has, they're in a rush, that they need the guitar like this. And, making a video, a guitar repair video takes quite some time with, angles, starts and stop and, making the video in different chapters, so to speak. I mean, that's a really big project itself. So that's why it's not very much guitar repair building videos. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little bit inside of here, and it's still kind of like a mess, but it's clean now compared to yesterday or the day before that. So let's bring it on and see what's inside of here. This area right here is the guitar repair bench right here. I was supposed to have all the tools up there, but I didn't do that because I did have everything laid out on the bench here in a total mess. But now I started to put up some few things here. So eventually I will have my tools on this side right here and nothing right there. And what you wonder what this is? The gooch right here, that's polishing compound when polishing guitar frets, and that's quite a lot actually. So this is basically the guitar bench right here. So I'm trying to sort out some things, little things here and there, and the tools that I'm using the most are obviously on the bench here, some files and even some fancy re-crowning files that I don't use. So that's, you know, I'm planning on cleaning up everything here and get some tools up here. And under here I have some boxes with, what do we have here? You know, these ones are full with stuff. Electronics, you know, if I'm going away to repair something on a site, I bring these things here. That's what I bring actually. So, and most common things is in here, like capacitors and all that kind of stuff going on here. So I bring these ones when I'm going away for repairs. And here I have, this is resistors. This is only the ones that I don't use, but if I'm looking for a certain thing, I can go here and have a look. And this is several hundred or thousands resistors right here. So I could bring this box too, you know. And this is not all, because I have a lot of things under here too. So that's this is a great box right here. And what do we have here? This is, oh yeah, this is also, sometimes I'm bringing, you know, this is for different types of electronics. Capacitors, always good to have. Terminals, you know, transistors and all that kind of stuff going on here. So that's a good box right there. But most of the stuff that I'm using is in this right here. This is the bench right here that I'm, you know, this is where I do the electronics. And this bench is not, you know, it's not completely done yet, because, you know, it's not finished yet, because it's supposed to be some stuff on top of here and all that kind of shit going on. And obviously I clean it up a little bit now, so that's basically what it is. And let's see what I got here. You know, capacitor fuses in these boxes right here. This is obviously some electronics right here, different, you know, parts, and you know, we've got some other things, rare components right here that I'm not really using. PDT random stuff, yeah. And this is the Arduino section, and this is where I, you know, I do some programming from time to time. So, you know, I have some displays, prototyping boards, and all that kind of stuff going on. Some robot stuff, Arduino CNC, matrix boards. I have a lot of those. I like to do things with these relays, all kind of stuff. So RTC modules, and you know, cool to have motion sensors and things, regulators, a bunch of them. And we have some Arduinos, some more Arduinos. I have plenty of Unos right there. And nanos, you know, I buy these brand new, and I have kind of like 20 of them, so that's kind of cool. What else do we have here? This is some little bit older components right here, but you know, this is, I use these ones also, and you know, I have the values written down here. So RCI, for example, we got different types of diodes, different types of connectors. What else do we have here? Some cooling things right there. And you know, this is really good stuff to have right there. And this is the one that I'm using very much. This is the resistors right here. I got all the values right here, and if I don't have it right here in this one, then I just go down here to that box right there, because there I have it. Okay, so this is basically I got some capacitors right here that the most common ones that I'm using for small electronics. Resistors right here. We got you know, all the values. I got everything here. So it's looking like this actually. So we're looking like this, or it's looking like this, or it's looking like this. So, and also I got some capacitors right here too. So the most common ones, I would say. So yeah, that's basically what it is right there. And then this one, this is some random stuff too, you know. It's we got some diodes, we got some more diodes, we got some more diodes, we got some LEDs, different types of LEDs, and I got some LEDs up there. That's the LED stuff right there, so that's kind of cool. And the most common capacitors that I'm using right here. Oops. We got some fuses, always good to have. And yeah, that's basically what it is. We got some fuse holders, we got some, you know, pots right there. Basically variable resistors. So here we got some random stuff right there. And then we have this one. I don't use this one very often, but you know, from time to time I actually do. And this one right here, the TL 072, that's something I use very much actually. But you know, I got you know, no matter what you're looking for, I got it right here. So no matter what electronics I'm repairing and needing, I got everything right here. So that's kind of cool. And here I got some trim pots, different ones, different stuff right here. That's the small trim pots right there. Wow, that's quite a lot actually. And yeah, that's basically what it is. So yeah, what else do I have here? Power supply right there, fume fan, soldering station. We got some cable going on here. I have more cables. I have even more cables than this, but I don't have it right here. So that's what it is. I got some drills here. The drills that I'm using the most right here. And this is my drill press right there. Nothing fancy at all, but it works just perfect. This area right here, no, we're not gonna look that way. So this is basically what it is in here. And obviously I put up some lights here to be able to see what I'm doing in here. Also, of course, we got Fluke 87 here. This is a really great tool. I have a couple of more Flukes actually, and they're working perfect. And some of this stuff right here. These ones usually, you know, kind of like laying on the bench right here. And this is really great stuff right here. It's Lindström, made in Sweden. Wow. These are very expensive tools right there, but they're very good. And I have a bunch of these. Think kind of like 6 or 7 of them. So different ones. So this is my little helping hand when doing the small PCBs, like this one for example, or anything like that. Oh, we got some bone blanks right there for saddles. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is, guys. A little you know, walk around in the guitar / electronics workshop. So good to have right there. And here I have a little box, you know, it's been here for a couple of years. I just go here and looking for what I need, and you know, this is gonna be gone, everything this. So that's kind of cool. And up here, that's LEDs and different kind of stuff right there. Everything here is LEDs. So, and I also have LEDs right here, different types. And I also have LEDs right here, different types. So that's kind of cool. What's in this, you know, this kind of stuff right here? I have, if I'm looking for something really special that I don't have in this one, that's when I'm going into this one. Because most of the time I can find what I'm looking for right here. And you know, these ones are not sorted or in any way. Just have to, I have an idea where the value, you know, where it is what I'm needing, but this is mostly old stuff that I recovered from old electronics, and that is in working condition, you know, because when dealing with old electronics, it can happen that you need an old component, because there might not be a new one to buy. So then I can come in here and, you know, look in this box here to see if I have the component I'm looking for. So this one is not made out of gold, but it is very valuable for me, at least. And what else do we have here? We got some you know, this is terminal assortment, basically this kind of stuff, and heat shrink tube right there, which is also very important to have. And this is basically, yeah, well, what do we have here? We got some bolts, we got some more bolts, oh, M3. What else do we have here? Got some more bolts. What else do we have here? We got some capacitors. We got, you know, this is I put this stuff in here many years ago just because I didn't have any other place to have it. So what do we have here? We got some rare random stuff right here, for example. So this is just some good to have. What else do we have here? We got some, oh yeah, we got some diodes, different types of diodes right here. So that's, this is a goodie too. And what do we have here? Oh, we got some capacitors. This is a fun box, actually. I like this kind of stuff right here. So this is where I can go also and have a look on if I need something that's not in there. I can go and probably find it right here. What else do we have here? Uh-oh, we got some more fuses. This is a different type of fuses for probably for kind of like old TVs and DVDs and all that kind of stuff. No matter what I need, I can find it here or right there. So that's a good thing. What else do we have here? We got some more fuses and transistors and, you know, a little bit of everything in here. So that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's basically what it is, guys. Yeah, that's what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and take a deeper look in this box right here that was down on the floor here, because this is rather interesting. I have labeled everything, you know, with a Sharpie like this. So, and they're in, you know, starting with the lowest value right here, coming to a high value down here. So that's kind of cool. And if removing this one, a little bit. As I said, I have, we'll take this away. It's not supposed to be in here anyway. Great stuff to have right there. So basically what we have here, we have a lot of resistors right here, okay? So, you know, this is not even everything I have, but there's hundreds of thousands of resistors in here that I bought over the years. And this is to make sure that I have exactly everything that I need. And that's kind of cool. So, you know, that it's hard to even explain how much it is in here. I mean, it's enormous. It's very, very much stuff in here. You know, take a look at this. Only in this one is hundreds of thousands, only in this one right here. So it's quite massive, I would say. But it's good to have, so, you know, going in this one right here. And this is a value that, you know, don't use very often, 80.6K. I mean, yeah, so that's kind of cool. And it's also very fun to go here and see what I have. So yeah, that's basically what it is. Yeah, that's quite a lot of things right here. 590, wow. So this is this box is very good to have, and you know, it's at least for me it is. So yeah, if I don't have what I'm looking for right here, as I said, in the resistors right there, then I go here, because here I can find it, that's for sure. And perhaps maybe in this box here. This is the more common ones. This is the more rare ones, and this is the more common ones right here. So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Oh yeah, and this is the wood workshop, and that's a topic for another video. You got my CNC right there. We got some fancy tools right here, bandsaw, you know, we got everything we need right here. But that's another video. Until next time, take care now. Bye bye then.